Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating physical identifiers so you know what to look up. Remove the battery or flip the laptop and read the bottom sticker. Write down manufacturer, model number, and serial. A quick photo prevents mistakes. Once done, check regulatory and FCC ID. These often include manufacturing year codes or part numbers. Make sure to handle screws and clips gently. If a label is missing, move immediately to software-based identification in the next step to avoid wasted disassembly. You'll now extract embedded details from the operating system and firmware that often include build or BIOS dates. On Windows, run msinfo32 or use wmic BIOS get release date. On Mac OS, use about this Mac and system profiler SB hardware data type. On Linux, run sudo dmodecode tsystem. These commands return model identifiers and BIOS release dates, which narrow down the manufacture year. Once you have those strings, cross-reference them with the manufacturer's model family naming conventions to translate codes into a year. You finish by confirming the inferred year with the manufacturer's official records or support channels, provide the serial or service tag, and ask for production or build date. Also compare BIOS release, purchase receipt, and any part numbers you noted. Consistent dates indicate accurate manufacture year. If data conflicts, ask support for clarification and request photos of internal stickers if they still doubt. Troubleshooting tip: if serial is unreadable, use machine-hosted identifiers like SMBIOS UUID or service tag to avoid misidentification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.